How to earn money online. Hey there, welcome to InfoLight. Today we're diving into one of the most popular topics in the digital age: how to earn money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, exploring the world of freelancing, or hoping to turn your online ventures into a full-time career, this video is your guide to making it happen. Let's get started. Introduction to online earning. We introduce the world of online earning. We'll provide an overview of the various ways people can make money online, emphasizing that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Whether you're considering freelancing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, content creation, or other methods, this segment will help you understand the broad landscape of online earning. We'll also discuss the key advantages, such as flexibility and the potential for passive income, as well as the challenges, including competition and the need for self-discipline. Freelancing. We'll delve deeper into this popular online earning method, focusing on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. We'll guide you through the steps of getting started as a freelancer, from creating a compelling profile that showcases your skills and expertise to finding clients and managing projects effectively. You'll learn the importance of setting competitive rates, meeting deadlines, and building a strong online reputation. Affiliate marketing. We explore the world of affiliate marketing. We'll explain what affiliate marketing is and how you can get started. We'll emphasize the significance of selecting the right niche and products to promote, as well as creating high-quality content to attract and convert potential buyers. We'll share insights into the best affiliate programs and networks, providing tips for maximizing your commissions and scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. E-commerce and dropshipping. Number 4 is dedicated to e-commerce and the popular business model of dropshipping. We'll discuss the steps to start your online store, from selecting a niche and setting up an e-commerce platform to sourcing products and managing customer orders. We'll delve into the benefits of dropshipping, such as low upfront costs and reduced inventory management, and provide essential tips for e-commerce success, including effective marketing strategies and customer service. Content creation and monetization. We explore the world of content creation and how to monetize your creative endeavors. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, or podcaster, we'll discuss the platforms available for content creators to share their work. We'll cover the basics of building a loyal audience, choosing the right monetization methods, and striking the right balance between content creation and revenue generation. You'll gain insights into sponsored content, advertising, and affiliate marketing as sources of income. Passive income streams. We'll introduce you to various strategies for generating money while you sleep. You'll discover the world of investments, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and dividend-paying stocks. We'll also talk about creating and selling online courses, writing ebooks, and earning royalties on your creative work. These passive income streams can provide financial security and independence. Online surveys and microtasks. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to make money online, we'll introduce you to online survey platforms and microtask websites, where you can earn a little extra cash in your free time. You'll learn how to sign up, complete tasks, and redeem your earnings. While these methods may not make you rich, they can be a convenient way to supplement your income. Building your personal brand. In the 8th, we emphasize the importance of building a personal brand. A strong online presence is crucial for online success, whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or e-commerce entrepreneur. You'll learn how to craft your brand, establish your online identity, and leverage social media to connect with your audience. Building a compelling personal brand can help you stand out in a competitive online landscape. Online scams and pitfalls. We address the darker side of making money online scams and pitfalls. We'll highlight the importance of being cautious and skeptical when encountering online opportunities that promise quick riches. We'll provide tips for identifying and avoiding common online scams, protecting your personal information, and maintaining online security. Case studies and success stories. In our final, we'll share real-life case studies and success stories from individuals who have found financial success online. These inspirational stories provide valuable insights into how others have navigated the online world to achieve their goals. Hearing about the experiences and challenges they faced can motivate and inspire you to embark on your online earning journey. Wrapping up our comprehensive guide on how to earn money online, we emphasize that online earning is a dynamic and accessible field with numerous opportunities for everyone. Whether you're looking for extra income or hoping to replace your traditional job, the online world offers a wealth of possibilities. The key is to explore different methods, be persistent, and adapt to the ever-evolving online landscape. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and all things digital. Share your thoughts on earning money online, as well as your own success stories and challenges in the comments below. We value the insights and experiences of our community,